Good morning, Miss. Good morning, classmate. Today I am happy and I am going to tell you about history, the film, the Wall of the Wall Street. Is a film directed by acclaimed director Martin Scorsese, in which we are told the history of Jordan Belfort. The real name, this actor is Leonardo DiCaprio. The film starts with a young Jordan Belfort recently married who begins to enter the world of the stock market. Soon, we will discover that Jordan has an exceptional talent for this job and that despite not knowing the inter-business work, he achieved great professional achievements in a short time. Jordan is convinced that he knows how to get rich, how to be a real big fish in the world of the stock market. And immediately he creates his own company. The name is Stratton Ockman. He's begin by selling poor quality stock to people who are deceived by their ignorance of the world of the stock market and will end up selling to the rich in the United States. This company broke a breaking spin and as consequence, their income, he even gets to be interviewed by Forbes magazine, which well assigned hit the nickname the Wall of the Wall Street. After amassing a high fortune in record times, Jordan spends it in the most absurd ways on women, tranquilates, cocaine, cars, his wife, supermodels, and a limits desire to own in all. As his company, Stratton Ockman, rises to the top and he indulges in hedonic pleasure, the sick and the FBI close in of his empire of excess. Thank you very much, Miss classmate, for listening to me. I hope you enjoy it. See you.